Money has run out for the U.S. government to pay lawyers to act as court-appointed criminal defense attorneys.
That means from now through October, lawyers in those federal cases will have to work without pay.
CBS 13's Anna Kuhn joins us live in the studio. And Anna, the courts are warning of potential consequences because of this.
Yeah, Marissa, Stephanie, the federal court system says 90% of federal criminal defendants rely on a court-appointed attorney. And if those lawyers aren't getting paid, there's a concern they'll start turning down new cases and cause a backlog.
And we have a responsibility to represent these people, and we do so. The judges expect it, and we expect it.
Neil Duffett is one of about 50 private attorneys in Maine who represent criminal defendants in federal court on a court-appointed basis. They step into action when one of Maine's 4 designated federal public defenders isn't able to. But they stopped getting paid for that work on July 3rd.
We take that responsibility very seriously, and we'll carry it out, whether we get paid or not.
Duffett and his colleagues likely won't be paid until the start of next fiscal year, which is October 1st. Maine's federal public defender, James Nixon, says he's worried the lack of pay will force some lawyers to refuse cases and threaten a defendant's constitutional right to an attorney. In a letter to Maine's congressional delegation, he wrote, quote, "These attorneys, many of which are solo practitioners, cannot sustain months-long delays in compensation while continuing to absorb case-related expenses." And it's not just lawyers who aren't getting a regular check. It's also court vendors like expert witnesses, interpreters, and private investigators. Nixon says the courts need a $115 million influx to pay all those bills. And while attorneys like Duffett are riding out the 3-month wait time,
we know we will get paid. It'll happen.
Nixon is urging Congress to boost next year's budget, so this year's back pay won't put lawyers in the same spot this time next year.
Well, Senator Collins, Representative Golden, and Representative Pingree have all sent us statements expressing their concern over the funding shortfall and say they will all advocate for additional money. We did not hear back today from Senator King. Live in the studio, Anna Kuhn. Guys.
All right, Anna, thank you. Time for